Today we will discuss the secretion of HCl and the hydrochloric acid from the parietal cell into the lumen of canalicus to form the hydrochloric acid in the stomach. The mechanism of secretion of hydrochloric acid in the stomach take place from the presence of water in the parietal cell. This water dissociate into the hydrogen ion and the hydroxyl ion. The hydrogen ion goes outside to the canalicus from the parietal cell to the lumen of canalicus in exchange with the potassium, with the hydrogen potassium ATPase, which require the ATP, in which the potassium ion go inside the parietal cell and the hydrogen ion go outside the parietal cell, and the concentration of hydrogen in the lumen of canalicus become 155 milliequivalent per liter. The potassium ion that go inside of the parietal cell get exchanged with the sodium ion, with the sodium potassium ATPase, which throw the sodium ion outside the cell and 2 potassium ion inside the cell. And that's where somewhat potassium ion is also secreted in the lumen of canalicus, which is about 15 milliequivalent per liter, but it's very less than the hydrogen ion. Now, because the hydrogen ion has been leaved from the parietal cell, so the remaining hydroxyl ion get accumulated in the parietal cell, which combine with the carbon dioxide that is coming from the interstitial fluid into the cell. This carbon dioxide combined with the hydroxyl ion to form the bicarbonate. This bicarbonate now goes outside from the parietal cell in the basolateral membrane and then into the interstitial fluid in exchange with the chlorine. This is a chloride shift in which the bicarbonate go outside and the chlorine come inside the cell. This chlorine get further inside in the parietal cell, and then from the parietal cell it go to the lumen of canalicus by the passive transport process. Now the chlorine that is present in the lumen of canalicus is about 173 milliequivalent per liter. So in this way the hydrogen and the chlorine get inside the lumen of canalicus and make the hydrochloric acid with the osmosis of the water molecule. The water molecule, the hydrochloric acid and somewhat potassium is present in the lumen of canalicus, which make the hydrochloric acid, and it is a most acidic acid which is present in the stomach, and the mucus secreting from the duodenum prevent the stomach wall to damage from the excessive HCl. But this HCl having a pH of 1 to 2 is very important for the prevention of bacteria, viruses that enter into the lumen of the canalicus or in the stomach to damage the stomach wall. So this is a general mechanism for the secretion of the hydrochloric acid and the water into the lumen of canalicus, which is about a concentration of about 150 to 160 milliequivalent per liter.